party, yeah.
Welcome back everyone. Today we will be doing another colorblind video. So as you can see, the colors that I'm using is the color 30 and color 8. So these both colors are going to be blended today. In the end of this video you will see the results, but first I am going to cut each of this hair into 3 sections. I have 2 packs, as you can see, and once I'm done cutting both hairs, I'm going to now take like so the portions, and I'm going to lay the color 30 on top of the color 8, and then I will start blending the hair.
Money they plenty for calculate. Thank God it's a Friday. The party goes start till we celebrate. Everybody make we jubilate. Money they plenty for calculate. Thank God it's a Friday. Come with the booty, come with the vodka, come with the shisha. So then we go party. Come with the booty, come with the vodka, come with the gin, bitter cola and Campari. Yeah. Every day we chill with the party. Yeah. Say we the party.
As you can see, I'm combing the hair right now. I'm blending and combing, blending and brushing the hair. Sorry, I actually said combing. Am I saying that? I mean brushing the hair, blending and brushing the hair, and that's what you see me do. And this is a quick video, guys. I am going to use this hair to braid, to do a braided hairstyle. You will definitely see that video here in one of my upcoming videos, and so watch out for that. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And I also want to take the time to thank all of my 6K subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel, and I thank you all for your love and support.
Every day we chill with the party, yeah. Say we the party, yeah. All about the life and the money, yeah. All about the life and the money. Say we go party tonight on Friday, hey. Till Saturday. Say we go party tonight on Friday, hey. Till Saturday.
Spend the pounds and the dollar, the euro and the naira. Now baby where they make style, now for seller. Spend the pounds and the dollar, the euro and the naira. Now baby where they make style, now for seller. Make you give me the wine, give me the wine, give me the dusty wine. Inside the passy, baby girl, you kill the vibe. Make you give me the wine, give me the wine, give me the dusty wine. Inside the passy, baby girl, you kill the vibe. Style and the pass and then they in line. Pretty girl, you know I'm pan the kind. Style and the pass and then they in line.
I am loving this final result. I can't wait to use this hair. The next time I'm definitely gonna braid my hair, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next week on my next one. Bye guys.